Most people with aphasia have word-finding problems. They know what they want to say, but can't say it. Traditional computer treatment for aphasia relied on pointing and typing. Users were shown pictures and asked to point to the picture named. Users were asked to type the name of a picture displayed. But what they really need is practice saying the names of pictures or practice with conversational speech. Solution: Parrot software treatment for aphasia. See how we do it using microphone input. Click the microphone icon and say the name of the picture displayed. Or say a sentence starting with the word I that contains the picture displayed. Or say a complete sentence by filling in the missing word. We have 88 different programs. Here's a list of the ones that recognize speech. Please don't wait any longer. Sign up for a free trial and start improving today.